Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by opening the money management sheet on your phone, tap the file immediately and place it in a folder you can reach. Enter currency and date format first, because formulas rely on consistent formats. Next, create or import a template and name primary accounts, checking, savings, credit, so categories match across rows. Once done, enable offline sync and set autosave. This prevents lost edits if signal drops. Now, you're ready to enter your first transactions and balances. You now log transactions one row at a time. Include date, category, amount, and which account it touched. Use simple formulas: SUM to total columns, IF to mark negatives, and VLOOKUP or index to pull category budgets from another sheet, so calculations update automatically. Make sure cell references are absolute when copying formulas across months. Then add conditional formatting rules to highlight overspending or low balances, because visual cues let you act fast. Sync after a burst of entries so updates appear across devices. You finish by reconciling. Match the sheet to your bank statement and mark cleared transactions so balances align. Review category totals and adjust budget targets. Copy a monthly snapshot to archive performance. Export CSV or PDF for records and tidy metadata like sheet name and version. If numbers don't match, stop and check 3 things: formula ranges, date format mismatches, and broken links between sheets, because those are the usual culprits. Then correct the source cell.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.